The Grumman F-14 Tomcat was a twin-engine, variable-sweep wing fighter aircraft developed for the U.S. Navy. It was designed as a long-range fleet defense interceptor with air superiority and multi-role capabilities. The F-14 became one of the most iconic fighter jets in American history, playing a crucial role in naval aviation from the 1970s until its retirement in 2006. 1. Engine. The F-14 Tomcat was powered by two Pratt & Whitney TF-30P414A engines in its early models, which were later replaced by more powerful and reliable General Electric F-110GE400 engines in the F-14B and F-14D variants. The TF-30 engines had issues with compressor stalls, which made the aircraft vulnerable in certain combat situations, while the F-110 engines provided increased thrust, better fuel efficiency, and improved maneuverability. The F-110 engines allowed the F-14 to operate effectively at both low and high speeds, with afterburners enabling speeds of over Mach 2.34. 2. Firepower and missiles. The F-14 was armed with a 20mm M61 Vulcan Gatling gun, capable of firing 6,000 rounds per minute for close-range dogfights. However, its true strength lay in its missile systems. The Tomcat could carry a mix of short-range AIM-9 Sidewinders, medium-range AIM-7 Sparrow missiles, and long-range AIM-54 Phoenix missiles. The AIM-54 was the most powerful air-to-air missile of its time, capable of engaging multiple enemy aircraft at distances of over 100 miles. The F-14's ability to carry up to 6 AIM-54 missiles made it a formidable fleet defender. Later in its service life, it was also modified to carry laser-guided bombs, giving it ground attack capabilities. 3. Radar. The F-14 was equipped with the AWG-9 radar, one of the most advanced systems of its era. This radar had a range of over 160 kilometers and could track up to 24 targets simultaneously while engaging 6 at once using AIM-54 Phoenix missiles. The system provided look-down shoot-down capability, meaning it could detect and engage low-flying aircraft, a crucial feature in naval combat. In later models, the APG-71 radar replaced the AWG-9, providing improved performance, better resistance to electronic countermeasures, and greater target discrimination. 4. Protection against SAMs and jamming. The F-14 had multiple defensive systems to counter surface-to-air missiles SAMs and electronic jamming. It was equipped with the ALR-45 and an ALR-67 radar warning receivers, which detected incoming threats and alerted the pilot. To counter radar-guided missiles, the aircraft carried the ALQ-126 electronic countermeasure system, which could jam enemy radars. The F-14 also had chaff and flare dispensers to decoy heat-seeking and radar-guided missiles. These self-defense measures helped it survive in heavily defended airspace. 5. Price per unit. The cost of an F-14 varied depending on the model and year of production. The early F-14 had a unit cost of around $38 million, while the later, more advanced F-14D cost approximately $74 million per aircraft. The high cost was due to its sophisticated radar, weapons systems, and variable sweep wing technology. Its maintenance was also expensive, contributing to its eventual retirement. 6. History and production. The F-14 was developed in response to the cancellation of the F-111B, which failed to meet the Navy's requirements for a carrier-based air superiority fighter. Grumman designed the F-14 in the late 1960s and it first flew on 21 December 1970. It entered service with the U.S. Navy in 1974, replacing the aging F-4 Phantom II. A total of 712 F-14s were built between 1969 and 1991. The aircraft proved its effectiveness in various conflicts, including the Cold War, the Gulf War, and operations over Iraq and Afghanistan. 7. In service. The F-14 served primarily with the United States Navy from 1974 until its retirement in 2006. It played a significant role in fleet defense during the Cold War and was used extensively in the Gulf War 1991, Kosovo conflict 1999, and Iraq War 2003 to 2006. After being retired by the US Navy, the only country to continue operating the F-14 was Iran, which had acquired the aircraft before the 1979 Iranian Revolution. Despite sanctions, Iran still maintains a fleet of F-14s, using locally modified parts and upgrades to keep them operational.